5 of driving. We're still in Missouri. We're headed to St. Louis. We're about 100 miles outside of it. We have to go through St. Louis, hit Illinois, then Indiana, then Kentucky, West Virginia, then we're finally in Virginia. Checking on the map this morning, is about another 1,000 miles to go. We were a little bit off yesterday because doing some roundabout stuff. Most likely this episode will be just consisted of us driving. So we are at another rest stop, but this time we are in Indiana. We're about 76 miles from Kentucky. We figured out dinner. We're gonna stop in Charleston, Kentucky, I believe it was. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna stop there, get some pizza, and hopefully either keep driving to knock out some more miles, or we'll figure out where we're camping. Might be camping again tonight. Hopefully we can knock out more miles, just so tomorrow we get to Mom and Dad's place in Virginia.